Hi, welcome to Learning Adventures, where we talk about the adventure of creating training that sticks. Now today I'd like to talk about interface design. I went to the Lume yesterday to see the DaVinci exhibition and I saw one exhibit that had an amazing interface design. I just have to share it. And I also want to talk about how important the interface is to the overall training experience. Here we go. This is Nat and I at the exhibition. It was Nat's birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, Nat, which is why we were there. Amazing exhibition. It had DaVinci's flying machines, his sketches. Seeing the hand-drawn sketches and things was like a dream come true for me because I am a massive DaVinci fan. His anatomical drawings are just absolutely incredible. But this is the interface I saw and I thought I'd just have to capture some of this and show you this. This was done by the WeBuild team, I believe. Amazing job, guys. This is fantastic. What a learning experience. And this is just one little aspect of the exhibition. So if you've got the chance, please get down there and have a look. Let's have a look at how this works. Move myself out the way here. You can see Nat clicking on something. You can see this side of the interface updating. Change categories. Click on a section, have a look at the various sketches. Sometimes it would reveal more within here and you could flick through extra pages. So I've talked about this being a great design, but I want to go into technically why this is such a great design. And the first thing I want to talk about is the visual hierarchy. Now, if you're dealing with something like a Word document, we're used to having headings and subheadings. With a visual hierarchy, we really need to start combining information into categories and subcategories. So up here where we have our menus, you can see we have our high-level categories. Then over here we have each element we can click on, which reveals more information. And down the bottom we have these subcategories. And this is a great method of organizing the content. Sometimes in an e-learning package we have this huge volume of information and we can really simplify the experience for the learner if we put it into simple logical order. And a good visual hierarchy creates a flow of information that is much more natural and enjoyable for the learner. The second thing they've done really well here is combine the overall theme of the content with the visual theme of the content. And what I mean by that is, as you enter the exhibition, you walk past DaVinci's notebooks and his sketches, and then we have that tied into the theme here. When it comes to the inventions, and you're clicking on each invention and we're getting this refreshed, you also turn around and there's the actual invention or scale models of the inventions sitting right there as well. So they've tied the theme and the content in absolutely beautifully. And lastly, they've created consistency in the learning experience. You can click from machines to anatomy to Renaissance, etc. And you know what you're going to get. You're going to get the content refreshed within here. Sometimes you can turn the pages, you can zoom in and out, and sometimes there are subcategories within each category that bring you to more information. And that consistency in experience also adds to the enjoyment of the learner experience as they go through. So my 3 key takeaways or hot tips for great interface design. Firstly, visually linking the theme of the content with the visual theme of the module. Secondly, getting great visual hierarchy around categorizing the information and putting an interface that allows the learner to navigate that information with ease. And thirdly, creating a consistency in the learning experience so that as they move from section to section, they have a consistent, reliable learning experience, which is what we want. Now, if you have an e-learning project and you're not quite sure how to structure it, how to get that visual hierarchy, reach out to us. The Poncho team and I would love to help. Thanks for joining and look out for the next episode of Learning Adventures. See you soon.